Manual tasks might feel productive, but they're slowing you down. The real growth happens when your systems run themselves. Let me show you how to save hours every day with automations that run your business while you focus on growth. Here's one I use every week. It creates and posts new Instagram content for me without me writing a word or opening the app. That's hours saved and consistency without effort. Those are just some images it generated and posted for me automatically. And that's just one example. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up powerful AI-driven automations that handle your repetitive tasks, so you can actually focus on growing your business. I'm talking Instagram posting, email follow-ups, lead generation, and more. And the best part, once it's set up, it runs while you sleep. I build automations that save me hours every week, and now I'm sharing them so you can do the same. Alright, let's get to the good stuff. Lead generation automation. If you're still manually scrolling through LinkedIn and copy-pasting emails, this is the first one you need to automate. Imagine waking up to a fresh list of qualified leads already enriched with data and ready for contact. While you're sleeping, your outreach machine is working. So what it does, it scrapes LinkedIn leads, then it enriches them with company details, then it writes a custom email for each lead, and then sends it all automatically via Gmail. How it works? N8N manages the automation, LinkedIn scraper extracts lead data, OpenAI crafts personalized emails, Gmail API sends them instantly. You're not just saving time, you're scaling outreach without hiring a team. Pro tip, start with a small lead batch to test your prompts. Once replies roll in, scale it up. Number 2, social media posting automation. Content shouldn't eat up your week. This automation generates and posts across platforms without you touching a thing. No logging in, no writing captions, no designing visuals. It all happens behind the scenes. What it does, it generates visuals and captions, it schedules and posts across Instagram, LinkedIn and Facebook. It runs fully on autopilot, no manual input needed. How it works? N8N connects the pieces, OpenAI writes captions, OpenAI image generator creates the images, Instagram API via Meta handles publishing. You don't upload anything, the AI handles creation and posting, you just watch it go live. Pro tip, use a recurring weekly trigger like Tuesday at 10 a.m. to stay consistent without you doing a thing. Okay, number 3 is client follow-up automation. Most people lose leads after the first call. This automation makes sure you never drop the ball again. The second your meeting ends, a personalized follow-up email lands in your prospect's inbox without you writing a word. What it does, it triggers when the meeting ends, then it crafts a hyper-personalized follow-up based on the call, then it sends the message instantly. How it works? N8N triggers the workflow after the call, OpenAI uses meeting notes to write the email, Gmail API sends it automatically. Pro tip, feed the AI meeting summaries or transcripts for smarter, more personalized replies. Number 4, newsletter generation and sending. You know newsletters work, but they're a pain to write consistently. This automation handles it weekly without lifting a finger. Keep publishing, the AI turns it into a newsletter and sends it out, beautifully written, perfectly timed. Okay, what it does, it collects your latest content, it generates a structured newsletter and it sends it to your list automatically. How it works? N8N gathers content, OpenAI writes the email, MailChimp API handles delivery. Pro tip, use consistent structure in your prompt, like 3 tips plus 1 insight to keep the tone tight and familiar. Okay, number 5 is AI chatbot automation. Let AI handle your DMs, instantly replying, qualifying leads and collecting info even while you sleep. Someone sends a DM, your AI replies instantly with helpful info, asks follow-ups and books a call, all inside Messenger or Instagram. I actually have a tutorial on this one, you can check it out on my channel. What it does, responds in real time to DMs on Instagram or Facebook, it answers questions using AI, it qualifies leads through smart follow-up questions, it saves the lead or books a call automatically. How it works? N8N listens for new messages via the Meta API, ChatGPT writes the replies, N8N sends the response back and captures the lead. No delay, no missed messages, and your bot is always on. Pro tip, guide ChatGPT with a tone and persona that matches your brand so your replies feel like you, just faster. Those 5 workflows are just the start. Once you build one, you'll start seeing automation opportunities everywhere. Don't just work harder, build smarter. Alright, now let me show you exactly how I set up the Instagram posting automation. It's the one I showed you earlier. The posts are generated, scheduled and published without me touching a thing. Okay, so for these automations we are using N8N. Click the link in the description below if you want to set that up. Then you will also need to get an API key for OpenAI. you'll just have to go to platform.openai.com or click the link in the description below. And then you'll also need to get a token from the Facebook Graph API that's on developers.facebook.com. Okay, this one is a bit more complicated to get. You'll have to configure your developer account. You can ask ChatGPT how to do that. Okay, now let me show you how this automation works. First, we have a schedule trigger. This is just one of the start nodes of N8N. So basically here you can choose between seconds, minutes, hours, days, weeks. I chose weeks, and then weeks between triggers. I put 1, so it means it will be running weekly. Then you have to add an AI agent node by clicking the button right here and searching for AI agent. And it is configured with a prompt. You are a creative strategist helping an AI agency craft visual, scroll-stopping, strategic Instagram content. It has a lot of information right here, which colors to use. This helps us keep the same brand voice across all of our posts. And then here we specified the AI agent's tasks. Generate 3 unique, non-repetitive Instagram image post ideas that are. So basically here you specify how you want the images to be. And then for each idea include a title, a detailed image concept, and a caption with hashtags. Important, every idea must feel fresh. And then I added here, format your response like this. This is a simple JSON object. So basically you have an array of ideas with a title, description, and caption. And then for this AI agent, I had to enable require specific output format. What this does, it enables you to add a structured output parser because the prompt doesn't always work, so you also have to add it here. And then in here we added the OpenAI chat model. I chose GPT-4o mini. This is great for most tasks. And then I added a simple memory so it doesn't repeat the ideas. I gave it a context window length of 5. You can increase it if you want the ideas to be more unique. And then we have a small code block. It's a real simple one. It chooses a random idea from the list of ideas that ChatGPT generated. And then we have another node, which is a message model for OpenAI 3. Generate a highly detailed image prompt. So what is that? From the idea that we previously chose, we generate a prompt. So we tell ChatGPT to generate a detailed prompt with everything needed. So generate a highly detailed image prompt for DALL-E 3. This is ChatGPT's image generation model. It has a new one right now. We'll use that one, but let's leave this prompt as it is because it gives a lot of context that fits this idea. And then we just put the idea description here. The image should follow these visual style rules, and then we give it some style rules, and then strictly respond like this: improved prompt, your image improved prompt here. Next, we have a HTTP request because right now in N8N you can't directly use ChatGPT's new image model, but you can this way. You select the method as post, then you put this URL right here. V1 images generations, authentication is predefined credential type, and you choose the OpenAI credential that you configured earlier, and then you choose the OpenAI account. Then you select send body. Body content type should be JSON. Specify body using JSON. Then in here you need to select the model you want to use. For this one we'll be using GPT image 1. This is the prompt that we previously generated in the OpenAI node. How many images you want to create and the size of the image. Okay, next we have a code block. Don't worry about this one. You can just copy everything that's written here, and it should work by default because the previous step is returning the image in a base64 format, and we have to change that. And then we have another HTTP request that goes to Imgur. Before sending it to Facebook, we need to publicly host the image. You need to do this HTTP request right here. The method should be post. The URL should point to this. Then the authentication should be none. Send headers using fields below, and one header that you have to add is the authorization one with a client ID. This client ID you'll get from Imgur. For this you need to have an account on Imgur and then go to the settings and configure your client ID, and then you need to click here on send body. Body content type should be form data. Parameter type should be N8N binary file. Name image. Input data field name source. And this is pretty much everything you need to do in this step. Next, we have a call to Facebook's Graph API. Using your Facebook Graph account, this one you can configure right here with create new credential and then get a token from developers.facebook.com. You'll need to configure an account there. It gets pretty messy, so use ChatGPT for that. The host URL should be set to default. HTTP request post. Graph API version should be 22.0. This is your Instagram page ID that you can find in your Graph API. The edge should be media. For the first query parameters should be the caption. Then the image URL, which is returned from the previous step. After, we need another Facebook Graph API call. This one should be post, the same as the last one. The edge should be media publish. And then for query parameters, we need to send the creation ID that was returned by the previous step. Okay, and then we have one last step. This one is optional. It's an HTTP request. It's a delete for Imgur. It will delete the image we publicly hosted in the previous step. So you just need to put this URL right here. Then authentication should be none, send headers, and then send the authorization right here with the same client ID used in the previous Imgur call. Now I've run the whole workflow up until this point. I'm also running this HTTP request, but it doesn't matter right now because the new image should be already posted. Now let's check it out. If I refresh the Instagram page, I should have a new one. This one looks great. Now if you want to see how to get the tokens for Facebook and for OpenAI, I have that in my other automation tutorials. Go check them out. Alright, so here's a quick rundown. We talked about the 5 AI-driven automations that save you time: generating leads, posting content, following up with clients, sending newsletters, and replying to DMs with a smart chatbot. I showed you exactly how I automated my Instagram posting, image generated, captions created and scheduled, without me lifting a single finger. And the best part, this is just scratching the surface. You can automate almost anything if you set it up right. If you're tired of wasting hours, make sure to hit that subscribe button below, because I'm dropping more step-by-step tutorials like this one, so you can automate your business and free up your time. See you in the next one.